Hello, beautyloving unicorns, and welcome back to my channel and this video where I'm gonna do this look right here. This is a tutorial. I am using some of the colors that I showed you in my most unique eyeshadow singles within my collection, and I will leave that video up here because it should already be up. And this is the look that I wore in that video, and I created it with mostly shadows in that palette. And I just this look has no like real thought behind it other than I was really inspired by these colors and wanted to play with them, and I was really dying to do something coral as well. I've been in my head, I like think of looks in my head, and corals and peaches has been like taking over my creative mind lately, so you might see some more coral and peachy looks coming up because I am very inspired by that color scheme as of lately. And yeah, I'm creating this look within this tutorial. Captain Obvious in the building once again, and yeah, let's just get into the look. Okay, so I am starting out this look with this palette right here, and I am picking this one, which is this Centerfold? Centerfold. That's not a word, honey. Get your act together. But yeah, I'm starting with Centerfold in my crease because I want this to be like a peachy look. It's not gonna be really peachy. It's gonna be more coral. Yes, coral. That's what I'm looking for. And I have primed my eyes with some concealer, but I don't use an eyeshadow primer. I only use the same concealer that I happen to use under my eyes. I just use on my lids as well. And I'm just gonna go in with this all over my crease, like literally all over. And I want to use this color here. It's called Coral Reef. It's from Sydney Grace. But before I do that, I think I'm gonna deepen this look up a bit. I'm gonna use this brush instead. This is a Sigma Small Taper Blending E45, and I'm gonna go into the Blushing Berries by Dose, and I'm just gonna use, oh, I have my little brush still here. I am gonna use, I think, this red one and maybe the black one. Just the red and black, just to deepen up the outer crease and the crease area a bit more before going in with that Coral Reef color. So I'm starting out with the red color and just deepening up the crease color, like the crease middle. Crease middle? It's a word. I'm taking a little more of that Centerfold shade and I'm just blending the edge here to keep the peach edge. Now I'm taking a little bit of that black and just deepening up the absolute outer V before going in with that shimmery color. Once again, I'm taking a bit more of that Centerfold just to keep the peach. And now I'm going in with that Coral Reef, and I did spray my brush because I want this to be as shimmery as we can make it. And I'm using a short shader to be more precise and to really pack it on because I want that coral effect. And I'm not afraid to take it a bit into the crease as well and just blend the colors together. And that is the coral eye right now. Let me put some eyeliner and mascara on the upper lid, and I'll come back and we'll do the lower lash line. Okay, so I got some mascara on, and I want to do like a gradient lower lash line that's really colorful. So I'm thinking about taking Spearmint. This is Touch of Glam Spearmint, and then Noir by Luxie, and then go Ultraviolet by Luxie. I think I'm gonna go like green, blue, purple. I think I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna use a pencil brush and I'm gonna really spray my brush to make the shimmers, because they're all shimmers, and make them really opaque. I'm gonna start out with Ultraviolet. And I'm just gonna put that on the outer third of my lower lash line. This is such a pretty color, by the way. Ugh. So now I'm taking Noir, also by Luxie. And then finally Spearmint. I think I'm gonna, as my inner corner, take Millenium by Nabla. It is basically I'm Peachless by Makeup Geek. It's one of those peachy duochromes, and I'm gonna spray my brush, and I'm gonna use that as an inner corner highlight because I think that's gonna really be nice together with this coral eye look. Yeah, like that. Taking just a little bit of that peachy shimmery duochrome on my brow bone as well. I'm also gonna use that as a highlighter because I know that colors like that make really good face highlighters. I'm using a white Eyepen by H&M just on my waterline. And then just some mascara for my lower lashes. Still the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. Wait, let's get rid of that. So that is the look without lashes. I am gonna put some pretty dramatic lashes on because I was really feeling the lash thing. Oh, I'm gonna do some lips. This is Sienna Piazza by H&M Beauty. I was longing for this one. I haven't worn it in so long. It's like a peachy, clayey cream lipstick. I love it. Let me just put this one on and I'll do some lashes and I'll be right back. There, the lashes are on. These are the Intoxicating by Flutter lashes. I have just started trying these out and they are extremely intense, but I still kind of like them. So this is the look. This is my coral gradient lower lash line colorful thing. I shouldn't be calling my looks colorful. This is just normal. But I really do like it, and I am happy that I got to play with some of the colors from this palette. Like I said, it will probably be up here in the cards where I swatch these shades and talk about some unique colors within my collection. If you like this video and you're not subscribed to me already, I would love to see you subscribe. Button is down below. I do upload quite a lot of videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!